Hey everyone, this is the first outfit. Its inspo is obviously from Sailor Moon. I think I did a good job here. You see how I paired up the pink sweater with the black dress? I think I got the overall look on lock. This is the second look. I absolutely adore this. You see how I put the denim jacket with the denim skirt and I made it a little set so I could kind of match Sailor Moon. It was just like an inspo look. I think I did good. Let me know what you guys think. Oh my gosh, I love this one. Okay, I don't own a red cardigan, so I used a red scarf. I think it turned out okay. I got the look on lock. Here's the iconic Sailor Mars. She always wears red. Y'all remember Totally Spies? Clover was my favorite one because she was such a fashionista. Oh my goodness. I love this look. Here we have another Clover look because she is iconic. So I just rolled up this pink tank top because I don't own like a pink crop top. I wear my jeans and my pink belt. I love how the outfits match so well together. I dressed up as Sam. So I don't own a yellow blazer, but I own like a beige one, and I thought it'd be cute if I matched it with my barrette and my snakeskin belt. Here we have Peach Girl. I love this anime so much. It's a good romance anime if you're into them. So, most of this outfit was thrifted. I think I did a good job putting it together. I feel like such a schoolgirl or a teacher, and I would actually wear this outfit if I had somewhere to go with it. Someone once told me the grass was much greener on the other side. Have you guys seen As Told by Ginger? It was played on Nickelodeon, I'm pretty sure. It's a good show. This outfit was completely thrifted. It wasn't that hard pairing everything together. I think I did a good job.
To meet your Prince Charming and dance off into your happily ever.
We love Princess and the Frog. This is my favorite Disney princess, hands down. Disney's Recess. The Ashleys. So there were a group of girls and all their name was Ashley. Ashley A is the one wearing the pink shirt, the black jacket with the black skirt. I like the way I put it all together because I don't have a set, but the way I wear my outfits, I make it look like sets. Do you guys remember playing My Scenes games online? They had the nail games, the room decoration games, all of that. So here I dressed up as my girl Noli. I really like the edits I did over here. Noli just had a simple outfit. It was really fun to recreate because I didn't have to go too deep into my closet. We love fitted clothing. Yes, sir. Every day when you're walking down the street, I love Arthur. Did you guys like spend hours after school just watching Arthur? Because I know I did. So this is one of the outfits I did. It's iconic. Like you look at me and you just see Arthur. I did a good job on this one. With the glasses too. Shout out to my sister. I borrowed hers. They're not prescription though, so I'm good. Do you guys remember this cartoon? Please tell me you do, because it is iconic. Foster's Home for Imaginary Friends. Let's go. Y'all, I dressed up as my boy Mac. Y'all see how I paired up everything so well together? The red t-shirt, the white windbreaker, the tan skirt, and the blue backpack, because obviously I don't have like a blue stuffed animal, and Mac always has a backpack with him. This outfit is such a gender bender. I love it. Do you guys remember this? I know you remember this. My boy Ben 10, let's go. So I watched this show a lot with my brother. I know it's not like a girly show, but it was still sick. Ben 10 always transformed into all these different creatures. I love it. This was a simple outfit. I like the way it turned out. I would definitely wear all of these out. Y'all remember? I'm 16. Oh my goodness. So I dressed up as Jen. You know, I just threw on my blue hoodie or whatever. White shorts and a white tank top, because I know she always had like white shorts or a white skirt on. It's a bit of a sporty outfit, but she was a sporty girl because I remember she worked at like a Foot Locker. So this is like my Foot Locker-ish outfit. You got Gumball! Gumball is such a good cartoon, y'all. You see how I put my puffs as little ears? I love it. We got Star versus the Forces of Evil. I know y'all know this one. And if you don't, I recommend you watch it. It's such a good cartoon. It is on Disney Plus, and it makes me laugh a lot. I'm Marco. Last but not least, we got Steven Universe up in here. So this is an inspo outfit. It's quite simple. And his second outfit.